Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's video I'm going to share 5 amazing apps that has helped my YouTube journey so far. So if you're a small creator like me, if you're a beginner like me, and you're wondering the apps that will help you out on your content creating journey, don't worry. This 5 apps, you are good to go. And you know what, they're actually free apps. You don't have to pay unless you want to start paying for some of the pro version of the apps I'm going to mention here. Okay, and not only mentioning the apps, I'm going to tell you what exactly I do with them. So come with me, let's check them out. And before then, if you're seeing my face for the first time, please do well to hit on the subscription button, and let's go straight into the video. Now, the first app that is a lifesaver, you know what, I call it a lifesaver: Canva. See, if you're a beginner on YouTube, you need to get used to Canva app. This app is going to help you a lot. So what I do with Canva, I use Canva to create thumbnails. Yes, and what Canva helps you to do, it already has a lot of templates you can just edit easily. It's actually beginners friendly, and guess what, you can use the free version to do all of this. And even if you feel like, okay, you want to start paying for the pro version, you're good to go. Why not? Canva is really good, really easy. Like, you can do a whole lot with it, a lot. And the second app that I'm going to mention here is so good that I wonder, why is this so good? That is InShot and CapCut. Now, these two apps, I'm mentioning them together because they serve same purpose for me. I use the both app to edit my videos. Okay, so whenever I feel like going to CapCut, I just go to CapCut. Whenever I feel like going to InShot, I just go to InShot. So if you want to edit your video, like after filming your video and you want to do some touch here, touch in there, and just to make it look really nice, you can try CapCut or the InShot app. They are really beginners friendly. And also, if you want to pay for their pro versions to get extra perks and other features and other stuff, why not? It's worth it, because YouTube is worth it as well. Okay, so InShot and CapCut is really good for beginners that are starting their content journey here on YouTube. Now, this next app here, I call it Hypic. Okay, now this app is so good when it comes to removing background, and you know what, you're going to need that a lot, especially when you've not paid for some of these pro versions, and you want to create a thumbnail but you don't like the background. You just want to take off the background, you want to erase the background. You know what, you can use Hypic. Okay, this is not a tutorial video, I'm just going to show you what this Hypic actually does. Okay, let me just take you into the Hypic, how you can use them. So this is just like an interface, how to erase and all of those stuff. All right, so you can actually use this to erase any objects, picture, whatever it is you want to erase. Okay, now this next app is so good that it actually, I see it as one of the best like apps out there. Like, it's so good. ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT app is really good when it comes to like title ideas, description ideas. Some people will be like, oh, I don't have an idea of the kind of title I'm going to make for my audience. I don't have an idea on the kind of thumbnails, even description. This app can do all of that for you. So why not? Go ahead and try it out. It's really, really good. Okay, now the last but not the least is your YouTube studio. Okay, if you have a YouTube account and you don't have a YouTube studio, sorry, go and download the YouTube studio right now, because you're going to be using that to check all your analytics, your growth, your performance, messages from YouTube. Just go and download that app. So guys, with this few points of mine, Alright guys, so this apps, Canva, InShot, CapCut, Hypic, ChatGPT and YouTube Studio, you're very much good to go. Trust me, you will do well. Then your content journey will become more easier, and everything just moves smoothly and nicely for you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.